Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer ETH to the Arbitrum network in 2025. If you're tired of high Ethereum gas fees and want to dive into the faster, cheaper world of Arbitrum, you're in the right place. Arbitrum is a Layer 2 scaling solution that makes blockchain transactions smoother, and transferring your ETH there is easier than you might think. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have a compatible wallet set up, like MetaMask or Coinbase wallet. Updated to the latest version to support 2025 network changes. Once that's ready, head over to the official Arbitrum Bridge website. It's your gateway for this transfer. Step 1. Connect your wallet to the Arbitrum Bridge. Click on the Connect Wallet button. Select your wallet from the options and authorize it. This links your ETH on the Ethereum mainnet to the bridge interface. Next, in the bridge dashboard, select ETH as the asset you want to transfer. Enter the amount you'd like to move. Remember to leave some ETH for gas fees on the mainnet. Double-check everything to avoid any costly mistakes. Now, hit the Bridge or Transfer button. You'll see a transaction confirmation pop up in your wallet. Approve it and wait for the process to complete. This might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion, but Arbitrum's design keeps fees low. Once the transfer is confirmed, check your wallet on the Arbitrum network. You should see your ETH there, ready for use in DApps, staking, or whatever you're excited about. Pro tip: always use official bridges to stay safe from scams. And that's it. By now, you've successfully transferred your ETH to Arbitrum in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.